Today we're going to do this model on SOLIDWORks. So start a new part, and the dimensions of it's these. Okay. First, using the top plane. Before that, just change it from, if you have it from inches, change it to millimeters. So, using the top plane, get two circles and try to get the horizontal relation. Then another one from here, and just give the dimension of one of them. It's 40. Then give it over here and here. Just make them equal. Let's make sure that they are correct. Okay, we're going to do the outer circles of these. So this is for the 40 is strong, should be 66, and then one big circle from the middle, it's 130. So this should be 166. Okay. Now, from this circle to this circle, it should be 100 millimeters. And then from these two circles, it should be 200. Okay. Now, we have these dimensions. We need to put the middle circle, which is, it was 130. 130. Okay. Just let us make sure that the distance is correct, and then this is correct, and yeah, all of it correct. Now, to make these lines, we're going to get the line tool and just make the lines tangent to them. By clicking on the line and pressing Ctrl, you will get the tangent. Same for all. Okay, here we need to do something, which is giving a relation, a horizontal relation, and then here too, a horizontal relation with this, so they won't move. They all became fully defined except the lines. So we're going to have here and here a tangent too. That's all for that. Now we'll do for this. Just move this up so there won't be any problem. Okay. There's this tangent. Now, using the trim tool, you're going to just trim the outer, the extra pieces of them. Then here, this, no, not this, this one. Okay. Now this, and then this, and yeah, that's all. Now, from the drawing, it's showing that there's no inner circle, like the inner circle here and here. So we're going to cut them too. Cut this, 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 this. So we have it underdefined. We have the problem over here. Just get the trim tool again and then just cut it. It will be shaded. This shading means that it's all closed. Then there's no opening in the drawing. Now, from the drawing over here, from the same center line of, from the same point, of this outer circle, we're going to put another circle, which in this circle it has two circles, but we are going to do the first one. It's 24 in diameter, we're going to do this right now. And we have from here it's showing that it's a hollow place, so it has a radius of 25. If you look from here, from the middle to the edge of here, it's 25, so it has a diameter of 50. So we're going to make these circles, and then this circle. For this circle, you could just mirror it if you want. There's no difference, up to you. So these are going to be 40. No, actually 24. Okay, and this is going to be 50. Okay. Now, if you want to give the dimension to the other one, to this circle, give it, or you could just make it as equal using the relation tool. Okay. Now, for this, we all did it. There's nothing left for the base. If you could take a look, there's nothing left in the base. We could use the extruded boss base feature, but I have it over here, so I'll use just this. It's going to be a blind extrude and 25, and that's all. Okay. Now, what do we need? It's to make this tower, or this rod, whatever is it called, the length, the diameter of it, it's 90. Over here, the diameter of the outer circle, it's 90. The inner circle should be hollow, which is 50 diameter, and then the height of it, it's going to be 225. So we're going to choose this plane. Just click on the surface that you want to start. I'm going to choose the top plane, or this plane, and then choose sketch. Circle tool. First we're going to do the outer circle, then the inner circle. Just make a tangent with it. Give a dimension of 90, and then here 50. It's already on 50. Then a height of 225, or in the exam, if you don't have any calculator, you could just do mathematical equation inside SOLIDWORks. It's going to be 225. That's all for this. Now we're going to do these flaps, or whatever is it called, the support or ledge. Okay, we're going to choose the front plane, and then using the line tool, we're just going to draw a simple triangle like this, and then like this, like this. Now it has a height of 100. It's going to already adjust itself, and then from the origin point to here, it has a 75mm dimension. Let's double check. First, the height of it 100, and then 75. Then the width of it, it's going to be 10mm. So using first, let's do a center line over here, and then using the mirror tool, you're going to just get this about there. Okay, I did a mistake over here, just delete, and then change it to mirror about over here, and that's all. Then extruded boss base, change it to blind, and then here just do it 10mm, and just click the merge result. It's going to directly do it if you have any errors with it. Now we have the tower. We need to do the tower. First, we're going to do the cut over here. We have a length of 20. Then it's going in of, let's check it. Okay, here we have this. It's going in 10mm, a height of 10, and we got any other thing? Oh, the height of it should be 100 from the top. Okay, so again, front plane, then using the rectangle tool, just do it as like that, and then we said from the top it has a length of 100 millimeters. It's going to be that much, and then here I think it was 20. Yeah, 20. I'm going to just do this as 20, and then here should be 10. And have we got any other thing? Okay. Oh, that's the other thing. Okay, wait. Let's check. That's for this. That's for this. Okay, tamam. So we have a mistake, which is this. It's not 10. We could do something. Just get the center line tool, and then draw a line from here to there, and then dimension from here to the center line, it should be 40. And that's all. It got fully defined. We have everything there. How did I know it's 40? From this, from here to there, and then from the inner side of the rectangle, which we did. Now, a revolved cut. I think this is a new tool that you're going to use. It does a cut on 360 degrees on a circle. So just if you haven't already selected, just choose the axis of revolution, the place that's going to rotate about, which is the center line. You should have a center line, and then choose it as blind, or if you want to cut like partially, not all, let's like do 100 degrees. It's going to only cut a part of it, but we want as it to be all, so it's going to be 360, and that's all. Cut. We did it. Front plane again. Now we have like 2-3 things left, which is the chamfer over here and here. We have this inner thing, a disc, anything. There's nothing. Okay, let's do it. These circles, they represent that they're zoomed in over here. They represent these. So this is it, which is this. So it has a width. It's going into the body in 10 millimeters, and it has a height of 10 millimeters, and it has a height from the top 62. Let's do that. Using the front plane, then get a center line to know where's the center of it. Doing this, then getting the rectangle tool again from the middle, just do it like this. Then it has a width of 10, a height of 10 too. Let's check. So it has here a 35 from the center line. Let's do that. Let's just delete that. Okay. From the center line to the outer, is it? Yeah, to the outer of it, it should be 35. 35. Then let's do the height from the bottom. Yeah, from the bottom of it, so it would give the full height of it. $62. Great. Okay. We have here, it should be 10. What does that mean? The 10, it's from the, it's going inside the body in 10 millimeters. You're going to use the cross-sectional view for this. Okay, let's just pull this out a bit to connect it to the disk, so it's going to make a full disk inside. Just do it, click and then control, and then make it collinear. Then, to make sure, just draw a simple line from here to there. Then give the dimension to be only from this point to this point to be 9. Well, there's in this case it's already there because we have an error over here that it's about 0.09, which is that normal. We don't need to change anything. If you do it correct, then you don't need to do the 10 inside. It's already given that, because we have this as a diameter of 50 and radius of 25. So from here till here it has a radius of 25. Then the n, because we have here 35, so 35 minus 25, it's 10. So it's already going there 10. So we're going to use another tool, which is revolved boss base. Again, the axis of revolution, they should be chosen and then blind. And that's all. We did this disc. Get out from the cross-sectional view. Now, we have only two things left, which is the chamfers. We have we have a fillet over here and a chamfer on the top and bottom side. So to do the chamfers, we're going to press on this, the top, and then chamfer. We have it as a 5 millimeters and 45 degree. That's all. And then here we have it too. Just press chamfer, same settings, and that's all. Now we have here we have a fillet, which of a 3 millimeters radius, and just directly choose the other circle. That's all. Okay. To change the color of it, press on this button, appearance, and then just choose the any color that you want. Let's do it as orange. Okay. And that's all for the video. Hope you got something from it. Bye bye.